Friends, open PixArt directly with this background. Okay, I will give this background link in the description. You can go and download there. Okay, this is the background. Now after this, the first step is we have to go to add photo and select your model image. Friends, this is my model image. Okay, this is my model image. Now by using this cutout tool, you can see, tap on this outline and you have to draw around the model like this, and you have to erase the background completely by using this cutout tool. Okay, now tap on this arrow. Friends, it is how it look like after the erasing the background. Now you have to arrange your model image here in this position. Okay, arrange your model image perfectly in this position, little incline. Try to select the standing position of the model. Okay, try to select like this. Okay, done. You can arrange perfectly like this in this position. Now we have to select one cycle png. Okay, now go to add photo and select this cycle png. Friends, this is the cycle png. Okay, decrease the size and tap on this here and tap on the move down. Okay, and now arrange perfectly in this position like this. Here back of the model, you have to arrange your model image here like this. Okay, perfect. Now arrange your model also perfectly in this position like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now you have to go to FX and you have to go to colors here, and you have to tap on this black and white and decrease the amount to 0. Tap on this eraser, tap on this invert, tap on this brush and decrease the size to here around 15 and zoom in the peak, and you have to draw on the bottom portion of the foot. Okay, to give the shadow look to this image. Okay, to give the shadow effect. Now tap on tick. Perfect. Now we have to select the PNGs one by one to give some attraction to this photo editing. Now go to add photo. Friends, these are two images. First of all, I am going to select this one, the light effect, and you have to go to blend and make it screen and arrange in this position. Okay, arrange in this position. Now tap on these birds and you have to arrange in this position here. Okay, arrange birds here. Now okay, arrange in this position. Now tap on tick mark. After this, you have to add some more PNGs. Go to add. Friends, these are the three PNGs. The bird. Okay, bird you have to add here and decrease little opacity to give the realistic look, and tap on this tree and arrange in this portion and decrease a little opacity like this to give the attraction, and tap on this bush and you have to arrange. You can arrange wherever you want. Arrange here and decrease a little opacity. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to erase this bush on the bottom portion here like this to give the realistic look. Okay, now tap on tick. Perfect. We arrange every PNG perfectly. Now we have to edit this image further in Snapseed application. Now we have to save this image in PixArt and you have to jump into the Snapseed application. See you there. Friends, now we are in Snapseed application. Now go to pencil, go to details and increase a little sharpening. Okay, and also a little structure. Now tap on tick mark. Now go to pencil, go to tune image and give a little contrast and also little saturation. Decrease a little contrast and also ambience a little bit, highlights a little bit, shadow a little bit, warmth also a little bit. Now tap on tick. Tap on this pencil and you have to go to HDR scape, tap on nature and decrease a little bit like this. Now tap on tick. Perfect. Tap on pencil. You have to go to vignette tool and arrange the vignette like this. Decrease the vignette a little bit like this. No, tap on tick. And finally tap on pencil. You have to go to selective tool and take it to the model image, and first of all you have to decrease the saturation and now increase the brightness. Perfect. Friends, finally our model photo editing tutorial is completed. It is how it look like. Okay, this is the before and this is the after image. If you want, you can also decrease a little saturation, because okay, now it is perfect. Friends, now see the before and after image. Friends, this is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. You can also edit exactly like this. Simply follow each and every single step. Now save this image and have fun.